Hey, my car 2021. This the first time it ever had like fuel light on. Y'all go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel, man, while y'all at it. It's the first time that fuel light ever came on in this car. On my mama. It got almost 3,000 miles, but every time I get to the middle point, I put some gas in it. This is the first time I ever let it get that low. We about to see how much gas it take to fill this Scat Pack up. So, we about to see how much it costs to fill this thing up. The light just came on. I probably could have drove it a little bit longer. I'm on the strip, so the gas high. But not much higher than where I get my gas at normally, and I usually get Shell's gas, so I try not to put no BS gas in here. It's $5.97 in Las Vegas on the strip. Uh-oh, that go a charger.
Cocktails makes
There it goes, counting down.
Inspired.
We're gonna see.
When I'm not alone, I be talking to myself. Alone in my head, but I don't need nobody else. Even when I'm not alone, I be talking to myself. Talking to myself. You gotta make an impression. You gotta teach everyone who doubted you a lesson. You gotta send a good message. You gotta stop with all the bullshit flexing. You cannot fold under pressure. You gotta give it your all. You won't be successful. You gotta do it big. You gotta handle your biz. You gotta change how you live. You got a natural gift. You gotta take care of your kids. You gotta take that little dough to your mama. You gotta go and check on your grandma. You gotta stay down and show some resilience. You need these plays to be up in the millions. Roll up your sleeves and tie up your tennies. Pay some more homage and pay some attention. It's time to go hard.
$6 a gallon. I'm only getting about 11 gallons, 11 miles per gallon. We already at 45.
You the daddy of the family, sister passing of your father. You need a snake, they eat the rats. And for the snake, you need a trap. You gotta put Vegas on the map. You got a lot of shit on your back.
Look how she look. She clean too. Oh, wait.
Don't listen to
Charger over here.
I was thinking out loud.
I'm on the phone.
I think I'm crazy
Got it.
cause I'm thinking out loud. Alone in my head, I don't need nobody else. Even when I'm not alone.
See where it's at now. Oh, we going well over the $80 mark. 14 gallons so far. Well over the $80 mark. I think this car holds 18 gallons. We're gonna see. I think it's an 18-gallon tank. We're about to see for the first time. Oh, it just stopped. $100. So, like I predicted, I think it is an 18-gallon tank because I think they gave me 1 gallon in reserve. So the 17-gallon mark, it showed I need some gas. And now we at $100, basically. So let me try to squeeze it, get that 25 cent. Come on, give me that 25 cent. Oh, 4 more cents. Oh, I fucked it up. That's okay. And all we ride is premium gas. This ain't no fake or no facade. 18-gallon tank holds. It's $100. $100.01. This fucking car. Make you think twice about getting a V8.